Imagine walking into a government clinic with a minor leg injury and within no time losing your entire leg forever. At just 11 years old, a boy from Goa's Satari Taluka now faces lifelong physical disability after a case that is raising serious questions about medical accountability and the failing healthcare infrastructure inside Goa's public health system emerges. Hello, hi, salam, or namaste. Welcome to MQM 24/7. This horrific incident began on April 27th when the child was taken to the Valpoi Community Health Center after suffering a minor fall injury to his left leg. According to the preliminary inquiry report submitted to the Goa Health Department, an X-ray reportedly showed an undisplaced closed fracture on the left fibula. But what followed has now shocked the entire state. The inquiry report states that a plaster slab was allegedly applied by a multitasking staff employee, Suresh, who was reportedly functioning in the role of an orthopedic assistant. The report further observed that the procedure was allegedly carried out without adequate direct supervision, which is required, and without proper documented reassessment by the treating medical officer. Soon after the treatment, the child's condition reportedly began deteriorating. The child developed swelling, fever, vomiting, drowsiness, and severe complications in the injured left leg. This little boy was later referred to GMC, Goa Medical College in Bambolim. But by then, the situation had reportedly worsened. The child eventually developed gangrene, and doctors at GMC were forced to amputate the child's leg. The Goa government has now indefinitely suspended Dr. Yavanti Gavar, the medical officer on duty at Valpoi Community Health Center, pending further inquiry by a community of experts. But this case is now triggering wide concerns across the state because this is not the first time questions have been raised over the condition of public healthcare infrastructure in Goa. Very recently at MQM 24/7, we had also highlighted concerns regarding missing shortage of anti-rabies vaccines and their availability being faced by locals, by patients at government health facilities. And rising concerns over emergency medical response and ambulance availability have repeatedly surfaced from different parts of Goa. Now, after this horrific Valpoi incident, many are asking whether Goa's healthcare system is expanding faster on paper than on ground. Because healthcare is not hashtags. Healthcare is not ribbon cuttings. Healthcare is not publicity campaigns. Healthcare is not social media optics and aesthetics. Healthcare means trained staff. Healthcare means specialists in their respective domains in rural centers. Healthcare means functioning emergency systems. Healthcare means proper and due supervision. Healthcare means accountability. This Valpoi case has now forced an uncomfortable question into public discussion. If an 11-year-old child can allegedly lose his leg after first being treated for a fracture inside a government health center, how safe and how prepared is the healthcare system in the state really? Because for one family in Satari, this is no longer about social media campaigns or press releases or fancy announcements. This has become a lifelong tragedy and one that Goa can no longer afford to ignore. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.